10 proven internet marketing strategies to grow your business explosively this year, and that's what I'll be talking about in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you again, and of course I won't fail to give you an exciting information and powerful information that will help you achieve more in your business. For those who are joining us for the very first time, welcome. And I would like to say that the things I'm about to share with you right now, you really want to pay attention to number 5, number 7, number 9, and number 10. So watch this video carefully through to the very end, because it's going to be very, very important for you and for the next phase of your business. And now, why am I doing this video? I discovered that a lot of people are struggling with their business. People have a lot of hassle here and there and issues here and there. But basically, if you follow these 10 things, if you have these 10 things written down in your table and you follow them through, pay attention to each of them, you are going to see massive growth for your business. In fact, personally, in the past few days, I've been paying attention to about 5 of them more, and I'm seeing positive results in my business. So you really want to pay attention. The first one on the list is search engine optimization. They call it SEO. Now, search engine optimization is very key, especially for businesses that want to really grow fast in our recent time. You need to learn how to put your content in the right place where it will be found easily. So one of the ways to achieve this is, of course, you have to have your website, and the keywords you use on your website should be able to match what your business stands for and what people are constantly searching for when they want to connect with you, your kind of business. So to achieve this, you need to learn and pay attention to search engine optimization. Now, this is across board for every of your products, services, content that you're going to be putting on social media, on public platforms, and every other place. So in my next video, in the sequence of video I'll be doing subsequently, I'll be doing an extensive video on search engine optimization and what you need to know about it extensively, right? Then the second one is social media marketing. I'm not even going to overemphasize this, but social media is one of the amazing places to scale your business massively this time. So first thing you want to do is you want to have a social media account on specific platforms, if not all of. In fact, I would recommend you have on all of the platforms, but pay attention to specific ones per time as you grow. But if you have a lot of workforce, you could actually multiply yourself across this platform. And I will be sharing with you how to multiply yourself. But basically, platforms at the time you need to be on, number 1 is on Facebook, number 2, Twitter, number 3, Instagram. Of course, TikTok will make you go viral very fast because of the algorithm if you do it right. And then, of course, there is this new platform called Thread. You want to also pay attention to it. And of course, have your business on LinkedIn for easy optimization of your business visibility. These 5 platforms and others are also very important, but you don't want to play with these 5 platforms. You want to market a product there as well. You could literally spend time to create amazing content on this platform or run paid advertisement on these platforms. And of course, without forgetting, I will be telling you another platform you need to pay attention the more. So you want to pay attention to the end of this video. The third one is email marketing. I've spent my time over the years as an internet marketer to explore email marketing myself, and is highly profitable. So one of the amazing things you need to know about running business in this time is you need to find a way to collect the leads of your customers or prospects. That's people who have interest or will one day become your customers. So what you want to do is to constantly promote and talk about your business, product, and services to them through email. So the first question is, how do I do it? First thing you have to do is to have a system that allows you to collect their information, their email and name, and if possible, their phone number. Number 4 thing, in no other, is WhatsApp marketing. Amazingly this year, it's amazing what people are doing with WhatsApp. People are making tons of sales and growing their business on WhatsApp. And WhatsApp marketing, it seems to be overlooked for some persons, but it's a powerful marketing platform for you to really scale your business. So basically, you have to have the phone numbers of these people, and then to enable you to contact them on WhatsApp. In the next few days, I'll be announcing a software we are launching that will help people to really do WhatsApp marketing the right way, but you really want to pay attention to WhatsApp marketing. I've done a video on WhatsApp marketing on my channel. Basically, just want to check it out. The link will probably be on the description, or you can just check my channel. The next one is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is very, very powerful, where you work with people that have big followership on social media and on other platforms to promote your product. So you go on Twitter, you look out for people that have up to 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, 500, 1 million followers, and you tell them to talk about your product. That's one of the fastest ways to get a lot of attention to your product and business. Most times people work with comedians, public figures, actors that have big following on social media. I wanted to say politicians, but let's not go there. But people that have big followership on social media, you work with them, they talk about your product, and then drag a lot of their followership to your business. Another system. The next one is affiliate marketing. It's so powerful, but what happens in affiliate marketing is where you are willing to pay a commission of your product costs to people that will help you market it. So because you can't do all of the marketing yourself, of course you can, but the impact you have when 100 people are doing it simultaneously with you is going to be more than when you are doing it alone yourself, right? So affiliate marketing is where you now create a system that rewards these people a particular percentage of the revenue when they make a sale or sell your product or connect someone to your business. I've done an elaborate teaching on affiliate marketing also on my YouTube channel. The next type of, the next proven strategy that works is PPC marketing. It's called pay-per-click marketing, where you pay people, when you play platforms to put up your business, and when people click on it to come to your landing page, you reward them. It's another amazing proven strategy that works. The next one is video marketing. Making videos like this is very, very powerful, extremely powerful. And I would always recommend people and businesses to have a team or a group of people that make video content for them. I have one of the programs, there's a recent program for businesses who can't even afford sophisticated gadgets and systems to make amazing videos. You could even start by using your smartphone, your iPhone, your Android phone to make videos, amazing videos that put your product and services in the face of your prospects and customers. And to achieve this, you could basically just learn it. There will be a link to a program called Video Workshop Creation by Danny Amara. It's for those who want to build and learn video marketing with their smartphone. The link, of course, will be in the description part of this video. Grab it and also get that program if you need it. But learning how to make video content is amazingly very powerful. And guess the next one, sales funnel marketing. I am super excited to talk about this one. This is like my core area in the industry. Some people call me the king of sales funnel, actually. That's what they call me. But in sales funnel, what you master there and what you do there actually is to put your business sales process on full automation. If you really want to grow your business this year and the year after, you want to consciously learn how to build sales funnels. Sales funnel is landing pages and upsell, cross-sell, lead generation pages connected together, and it runs systematically without you interfering with the process. That means you can build a funnel that will attract customers for you, plug it into a traffic source like Facebook ads, or even on organic sources like your blog posts and specific platforms on the internet, drive traffic through it, and they end up going through the whole process and end up buying your product. So the system is amazing. When you learn how to build funnels, you are literally going to achieve more results in your revenue and spend less time actively interfacing with your business. Okay, you really want to pay attention to that. And of course, I've also done a video on sales funnel on my channel. If you want to take a program on that, there will be a link on the description section for you to take a program on that. And last, the last one I'll be mentioning today, which is like the 11th one, is reputation marketing. Reputation marketing is basically where people pay the press to write about and talk about their business. There are people that contact bloggers, journalists, news platform to come and record an exclusive video about their platform, their business, their product and services. And that way, when this platform talk about it, people begin to perceive this business as a very serious business, successful business that really pay attention to their customers, and then it sends a traffic of people to your business. And you really want to leverage these 10 things and this extra one I gave you actively in your business for you to see massive results this year. I'm sure this video really helped you, and I am also encouraging you to spend more time in these things, master it, use it actively to scale your business, and of course, don't forget to share this video. In the next video, I'll be teaching you more on how to grow your business. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family, as I have an amazing announcement coming out very soon. See you in the next video.